Everybody, this is Ian from In 30 Minutes Guides. Today I'm going to be talking about exporting a Google Docs document as a text file. If this video helps, please take a moment to follow the channel and like the video, and let's get started. Now, whenever you're using Google Docs, I always recommend using the Google Chrome browser, whether you're in a Mac or Windows or a Chromebook environment. And basically what you want to do is open the Docs document, go to File, go to Download, and select Text. So it'll think about it for a little bit, and then it will let you save it to your hard drive. So I just saved it, and let's take a look and see what it looks like. Now, here is the text file. Let's blow it up a little bit. And you can see that basically all the text that's in here is also in this document. Bullets are converted to asterisks. However, images cannot be converted, so there's basically just a space there. For more information on how to get the most out of Google Docs, I've written a book about it, Google Drive and Docs in 30 Minutes, available from in30minutes.com. If this video helped, please take a moment to like it or follow my channel. This is Ian Lamont signing off. Thank you so much for watching.